Hello dear students, good morning. In today's class we are going to discuss about the lesson There is a Girl by the Tracks. There is a Girl by the Tracks is written by Devan Kanal. Oh, you already learned about that in the last videos. I will give detailed description about the lesson There is a Girl by the Tracks. So in today's class I will give the important questions regarding the There is a Girl by the Tracks. So for the examination purpose you can ask for the 2 marks questions or the extract regarding this lesson. That means the statement type of the questions. Why did Roma got panicked? The train hurtled ahead and Roma jammed between the other woman was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed. She lost her tennis foothold, so she was panicked. ರೋಮಾ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹೆಂಗಸರ ಮಧ್ಯ ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ತನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ತಳ್ಳಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆಕೆ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫೆಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ರೋಮಾ ನಾಕ್ಡ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ಲೆಸ್ನೆಸ್? Roma's hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. The clattering train muffled the thud of her fall on the ground more than a meter below. Therefore, he was knocked senselessness. ರೋಮಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂರ್ಛೆನ ತಪ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕೆ 2 ಕೋಚ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಕೆ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂದ ಫೆಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ನ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮೂರ್ಛೆಯನ್ನು ತಪ್ತಾಳೆ. ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಡೂ ವೆನ್ ಈ ಸಾ ರೋಮಾ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್? ಇಂಪಲ್ಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಬ್ಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. The train screeched. Slowing down, he asked the people in the compartment to go and help her. However, nobody volunteered. He jumped out of the train, reached to Roma and took her to hospital. So, people, nobody can volunteer to help the Roma. So that's why Baleshwar is jumped into the moving train. ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ವಾಲಂಟರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಕೆಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರು ಆಕೆಗೆ ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದಾಗ್ತಾನೆ. How did Baleshwar found the road? By saying a silent prayer, Baleshwar lifted Roma, gingerly made his way across the tracks, looking out for train and screeching, and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. By saying silent prayer, ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ರೋಮಳನ್ನು ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಂತಹ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರು ಆಕೆಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದಾಗ್ತಾನೆ. ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಬಿಗ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಹೋಪ್? ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೋಟ್ರಾಟ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಬೈ, however no one stopped. Innumerable motards drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. No one helped him, therefore he had begun to lose hope. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದಂತಹ ರೋಮಾಳನ್ನು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಗಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಮೋಟ್ರಾಟ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ ತನ್ನ ಹೋಪನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್? ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರನ ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬಂದರು? ಎ ಟೆಂಪೋ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್, ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಏಜ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೂ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಗುಜರಾತಿ ಸ್ಟುಪ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಗುಜರಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಧ್ಯವಯಸ್ಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರನಿಗೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ರೋಮಾ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ವರ್ಕ್? ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್, ದ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, immediately admitted her to ICU without any paperwork. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಅಗರ್ವಾಲ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಡಿವೈನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಂದ ರೋಮಾಳ ಇಂಜುರಿ ತುಂಬ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವರ್ಕು ಆಕೆಯನ್ನು ICUನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ? ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಶ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಮಾಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಫೌಂಡ್. Write about Roma Talreja's daily routine. Roma Talreja was a BCom graduate from Pune, had been working 3 for 2 years, loving her job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she had her friends, joked, laughed and made plans for the weekends. Then heading home alone after her shift. Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brothers and a long phone chat with her fiancé Vijay. ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೆಜಾ BCom ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಪುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಿಂದ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಆಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಕೆಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಕೆಲಸದ ನಂತರ ಕೆಫ್ಟೇರಿಯಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್, ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಜೋಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಗ್ತಾ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಕಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆಯೋದು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಫಿಯಾನ್ಸಿ ವಿಜಯ್, ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತುಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದು ರೋಮಾಳ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಕಾಪ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್? ದ ಕಾಪ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ರೋಮಾ ಟು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಟ್ ಐರೋಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 10 kilometers ಅವೇ. ಕಾಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಐರೋಲಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 10 kilometers ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೋಮಾಳನ್ನು ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು ಅಂತೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮುಂಬೈ? ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮುಂಬೈ. He stayed with his elder brother. His job hunt had proved fruitless. Now he was treading water and had resigned himself to fact that he was running out of options. So he was returning from Mumbai. ಬಾಲೇಶ್ವರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಜಾಬನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡು ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೈಗೂಡಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನ ಸಹೋದರನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಓಡಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಕಳೀತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಬೈ ದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಹೂ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಇಯರ್? ರೋಮಾ ತಲ್ರೆಜಾ. Why did she lay there? When Roma settled into a corner near the door of the train, the other whom are standing by pushed her out from the compartment. Therefore, she fell down near the tracks. Let us go and help her. Who said this? Baleshwar Mishra said this. Why did he say so? He saw a girl laying down the tracks. Therefore, he told. I hope I am not too late. Who does I refer to? I refer to Baleshwar. There is a girl by the tracks. Who does the girl? Roma Talraja. Why does she lay there? When Roma settled into a corner near the door of the train, the other woman standing by pushed her out from the compartment. Therefore, she fell down their tracks. Let us go and help her. Who said this? Baleshwar Mishra said this. Why did he say so? He saw a girl laying down near the tracks, therefore he told her passenger to help her. I hope I am not too late. Who does I refers to? Here I refers to the Baleshwar. Where did he make this statement? He made this statement coming near the tracks. He pulled the emergency chain from the train and jumped out to the help the girl who fell down from the train near the tracks. Behenji have theek hai. What does it mean? It means, sister, are you okay? What does what does her condition when he made this statement? A clattering roar of the train muffled thud of her fall on the ground more than a meter below. She was knocked senselessness. He found her sprawled and by the side of the tracks. My sister is injured. Who was it said? It was said to motorists who drove by. Who was she injured? When Roma settled into the corner near the door of the train, the other woman standing by pushed her out from the compartment. She was thrown out of the coach, therefore, she fell down near the tracks. Please help me to take her to a hospital. Who was taking her to the hospital? Baleshwar was taking her to the hospital. Who helped them? Tempo truck driver, a middle-aged man was from Gujarati, helped them. All he could know, think, was saying stranger's life. Who does that stranger? Baleshwar Mishra was the stranger. Write about the Baleshwar Mishra. He was a lanky youngster from Mirzapur, UP. He was an unemployed high school dropout who would recently come to Mumbai living with his two brothers. His job hunt and proved fruitless. Now he was tumbling water and resigned himself to fact that he was running out of the options. He had spent his daily with friends, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his fruit. However, all he could now think of was saving the stranger's life. Take the girl to Airoli. Who said this? Traffic policer said this. Did Baleshwar agree with this? He did not agree with the traffic policeman's suggestion because Airoli was 10 kilometers away from the place. There first he wanted to give her first aid. There is a hospital there. Where was the hospital? Hospital was in Airoli. Why did the cop made this statement? Traffic policeman saw the girl injured lying in the tracks with Baleshwar. Therefore, he suggested him to take the girl to the Airoli. There is a close place I know of. Who does I refer to? I refer to Baleshwar. Who was the facility of the hospital? Baleshwar was telling about the hospital. It was small hospital where nurses helped to take the young woman in, but as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, then duty physician was not able to do more than give basic first aid. He advised that she be moved a nearby hospital. Whom can I call? To whom was it said? It was said to Roma. Whom did they suggest Baleshwar to call? She suggested Baleshwar to call her brother Dinesh, who was doing marketing job at a retail outlet in Ullas Nagar. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Who is referred as Chacha? A tempo truck driver is referred as Chacha. Why did Baleshwar borrow his phone? Baleshwar borrowed tempo truck driver mobile to call Roma's brother Dinesh about his accident. I am know my way. Who does my refer to? My refer to Roma's brother Dinesh. How he came to know about the accident? How did he react to it? Baleshwar informed about the Roma's accident to Dinesh. In reply, Dinesh said, your sister Roma had fallen off a train and we are taking her to Divine Hospital in Gansoli. When Dinesh heard about her sister, he soon rushed towards the motorists to go there. Oh, I could not thank him, he thought. Who referred to I? I referred to tempo truck driver. Why he could not thank him? When Baleshwar along with the tempo truck driver injured the Roma arrived at Divine Hospital, he soon went to admit her in hospital. However, when he came out, tempo driver was not there. Therefore, he could not thank him. How are you feeling? To whom it was asked? It was asked to Roma Talreja. What did doctor say about her health? Doctor told that her X-ray showed although the injuries looked severe, all she needed were deep wound stretches. There would be no lasting damages, but she could have bled death had nobody helped her. I can't imagine what would have happened if he is not there. Who does I refer to? I refer to Roma. Why she was thanked to him? Roma Talreja was very thankful to Baleshwar because he saved her life, risking his life. Because of which she was alive now. They fear getting trapped in the court or with the police. Who do they refer to? They refer to people. Why the people are afraid of? The people are afraid to people, those who were in trouble because they feel fear getting trapped in the court or with the police. She needed help. Who needed help? Roma Talreja needed help. Why she needed help? She needed help because she pushed out the coach and was injured. So these are all regarding the statement types questions about the there is a girl by the tracks. So you make use of this video and made practice of the question answers.